So in today's video, we are going to be surprising my brother with a PS5.
I feel so light.
Oh my god, you guys. I literally just bought my brother the PS5 on Amazon. I don't know how I got it, but there, my order's arriving Sunday. Hopefully it doesn't get canceled. But I saw the tweet and then I quickly bought it and he doesn't know I bought it. So let's go surprise him. Usually these things sell out within seconds, so I was super lucky to get my hands on one. And because I got it off Amazon, it is 2-day prime shipping. So it's supposed to arrive today. My brother has no idea. So if you guys want to see his reaction and an unboxing at the end, then continue watching this video. This is the account that I followed. Follow them and turn the notifications on, and then they do releases for the US, Canada, basically anywhere in the world. Cross your fingers and hopefully you can get a PS5. So watch this whole video till the end because I basically told you the cheat code of how to get PS5. So thank me later. God, y'all, it's getting, I can't even freaking talk, but he's dropping off right now. Oh my god, it's here. Alright you guys, so the package just arrived, my brother's still sleeping. Okay, let's do it, let's go. I don't know why I'm whispering. Let's go. Okay, now we gotta take this upstairs somehow. If he wakes up right now, I'm gonna be so pissed. Okay guys, so I gotta make this quick before he wakes up. But I'm just gonna open it up and then I'll probably just set it up on my bed or something. Let's see. Oh my god, you guys. It's upside down, but I can't believe this shit's real right now. He doesn't know. Oh shit. Where do I put this? Here it is, guys. PS5. It's real. It's so big. And it's so heavy. I need to send this to my other brother. He's gonna freaking flip out. He ordered his PS5 before I ordered this, but it was off Best Buy, so I think it hasn't arrived yet. I just sent it to him. Oh my god.
What's up?
Like.
He came?
Yeah.
Does he know?
He's sleeping.
Oh, nice.
Dude, look at it. It's so big. Did you get yours yet?
Oh, tomorrow.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to show you.
Nice.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, man.
I think I'm gonna set you guys up right here or something. And then I'll put the PS5 on the bed. And then he'll walk in through this door, so he'll be like... Okay, honestly, that works. Alright guys, so I've been waiting forever. He's still sleeping. I'm just gonna wake him up, tell him to come to my room, and then we can get this over with.
Dad, the Eagles are winning? What the heck?
Oh my god, he went downstairs to watch football.
Right.
Can you come?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Did a package come today? What?
Walk in, what are you doing?
Why are you filming it? Thank you. You're so nice.
I got it from the Amazon drop.
When?
2 days ago.
And it came already that fast?
Yeah, 2-day prime shipping.
I'm
sweating. I had so much anxiety.
Why? Why is the box wrecked?
Relax.
I feel so light.
Dude.
Is it broken?
No.
How come it sounds like loose?
I don't even remember what I was doing, but I just got the notification. Because it's Amazon, like all the information saved, and I quickly got it, and then I was just lucky. It said arriving.
Oh my god! I should go to PS5. I need a Snapchat.
Dude, this is crazy because like other people have been trying like forever to get this thing.
I know.
And like, I don't freaking know how I got it. Like, out of all people.
I thought it was a filter.
Dude, you sound like a fucking zombie. Like, there's another package there. It was yours.
Can I give that to you now?
What is it?
My present. One of my presents.
Why? It's a Christmas present. Why are you giving it now? This is just a present for being a good brother.
So lucky.
Yola, did you know?
No.
You had no idea.
I had no idea. Well, I had a feeling you were gonna get it. I didn't know you were gonna get it now.
So when you walked in, what, were you like confused?
I was shocked.
You were confused.
Not confused. I was just shocked. I was like.
Did you see it right away?
I saw the blue. I've been seeing this box everywhere.
Okay, dude. Sorry to break it to you, but it's a prank.
What? Is it not for me?
No, it's not real.
Huh?
It's just I bought this box on Amazon.
Actually?
It's not actually the PS5.
Why so heavy?
Because I put bricks in it.
Who's it for?
No, it's fake.
Actually?
I'm just joking. Okay, he's gonna open it now.
Are you gonna run it tonight?
Maybe. You go, what's in here?
I don't know. Dude, it's nice. I like the white.
Whoa. Did you wash your hands?
Did you?
Yo, show me. Set the camera. The controller's supposed to be like next level, dude. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for mine.
That was nice. That was nice. Now for the good stuff. Come on. There you go.
It's so big.
Oh my god. That's it.
How heavy is it?
It's pretty heavy. Damn, it's so big. You guys up?
Nice.
So, what are your thoughts?
I love it. So happy. Feel so
Really?
blessed.
And that is all for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching until the end. My brother was super surprised. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. That is basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.